Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom field here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go and log into your admin account and go to the top right and click on the gear icon or settings icon. Click on it, and once done, go ahead over to employee information. Click on it, and in here, go to the top, and in this tab, just gotta find extend service. Click on it, and in here, if you have the paid version of Zoho People Plus, you'll be able to see a plus sign right here to add in a custom form. If not, you can just go ahead and edit the pre-made forms right here. For example, the employee form. Now, to add in custom fields, here you have the fields section in the left panel. Basic fields includes single line, email, number, so on and so forth. And advanced fields right here, we have lookup, multi-select, formula, phone address, and add notes. All right. So as you can see here, you can go to review your specific form. And that if you want to add in some more fields, okay, you can just go ahead and easily drag and drop. For example, we have here the location or country. All right. Even the currency. Let's say I don't have the currency in here. Okay. So I need to add in currency, and I'm going to go ahead and add in maybe right here under work information. So just drag and drop, give it a name if you want to. And then once done, head on save. There you go. It has now been added. You can go ahead and click on the gear icon right here to change the permissions. Okay. Your directors, manager, team in charge, team member right here cannot view and edit these informations. Only you as the admin or super admin. Okay. Now, if you want to give permissions to your director or manager, you can go ahead and click on this person icon to view. You can go ahead and give all data, or just the reportees data, or even your data, or both reportees and your data. All right. All data right here. Edit all data as well. Hit on save. There you go. And as you can see here in the right panel, when you click on one field, you'll be able to change its properties, like the form properties right here. But for the specific field property, click on a field, and here you have it. Currency type, you can go ahead and change this one. The name, validation, it could be a mandatory, no duplicate. All right. You can go ahead and add the decimal points and initial value. Once you've made some changes right here in this field property, you don't have to click on a save button, as it will automatically save. All right. So once you're happy with that, you can now then go ahead and move on to access control, preview. Right here, scroll down. Right here, as you can see under work information, we now have currency. Okay. That is set to US dollars. So just close this one if you're happy with that. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.